Welcome to Jagan channel. Today we are going to discuss about the General Science and Social Studies of All India Sainik School Entrance Examination of 2020 Set Year Paper. First we are going to discuss the questions on General Science. First question. The metal present in chlorophyll is iron, calcium, oxygen, magnesium. Answer is option D, magnesium. Next question. Name the gas present in LPG. Hydrogen, oxygen, methane, butane. Answer is option D, butane. Which gas is used to replace CFC? HCFC, RCFC, DHFC, HHFC. Answer is option A, HCFC. The metal mensuration flow at puberty is termed menopause, mensuration, puberty flow, menarche. Answer is option D, menarche. Next question. Which among the following statement is incorrect about all organelles? They are found in eukaryotic cells. They are found in multicellular organisms only. They coordinate to produce new cell. They are small sized and mostly internal. Answer is option B. They are found in multicellular organisms only. Next question. The boy is pulling a cart by force of 100 Newton. The frictional force experienced by the cart is 20 Newton. The force causing the motion of the cart is 100 Newton, 120 Newton, 80 Newton, 5 Newton. Answer is option C, 80 Newton. Next question. The cans used for storing food are made by electroplating. Silver onto iron, chromium onto iron, gold onto iron, tin onto iron. Answer is option D, tin onto iron. Next question. The impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists for 1/60th of a second, 1/12th of a second, 1/6th of a second, 1/16th of a second. Answer is option D, 1/16th of a second. Next question. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west because Earth rotates from east to west on its axis. Earth rotates from west to east on its axis. The sun is at the center of universe. None of these. Answer is option B. Earth rotates from west to east on its axis. Next question. Pressure is equal to area by force on which it acts, force by area on which it acts, volume by force on which it acts, force by volume on which it acts. Answer is option B, force by area on which it acts. Next question. An ultrasound equipment works at a frequency higher than 20,000 Hz, higher than 10,000 Hz, lower than 20,000 Hz, lower than 10,000 Hz. Answer is option A, higher than 20,000 Hz. Next question. When electrodes are immersed in water and electricity is passed, the bubbles formed on the negative terminal is actually dash gas. Hydrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. Answer is option A, hydrogen. Next question. If light falls perpendicularly on a plane mirror, the angle in which light will be reflected is 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees. Answer is option C, 180 degrees. Next question. All non-living things are known as biotic resource, exhaustible resource, abiotic resource, human resource. Answer is option C, abiotic resource. Next question. Malarial parasite is carried by Culex mosquito, male Anopheles mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito, Aedes mosquito. Answer is option C, female Anopheles mosquito. Next question. Internal fertilization does not occur in dog, cow, parrot, frog. Answer is option D, frog. Next question. Regeneration is observed in Planaria, Spirogyra, yeast. Answer is option A, Planaria. Next question. Rapid combustion is when gas burns, it produces heat and light. When material suddenly bursts into flames. When there is evolution of heat. None of these. Answer is option A. When gas burns, it produces heat and light. Next question. A student is carrying out distillation process in a lab. Water is boiling in distillation flask. Water that is collected in the receiver flask is refrigerated and ice cubes are formed. Ice cubes are then kept outside the refrigerator and then start melting. Arrange the following phases of water in ascending order of their total potential energy plus kinetic energy, considering that the mass of water remains the same. Water collected in the receiving flask, water boiling in the distillation, steam passing through the delivery tube, ice cubes formed in the refrigerator. Answer is option B, 4, 1, 2, 3. Next question. The different samples of CO2 were found to contain carbon and oxygen in the same ratio of their mass. This illustrates law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportions, law of multiple proportions, law of reciprocal proportions. Answer is option B, law of definite proportions. Next question. An atlas of India is drawn by taking scale 100 centimeters equals to 50,000 kilometers. The actual distance between the city of Bhopal and Cochin is 1500 kilometers. The distance between the two places in the atlas will be dash centimeters. 3, 1, 10, 2. Answer is option A, 3. Next question. Both sound and light waves can be propagated through vacuum, air, both A and B, none of the above. Answer is option B, air. Next question. A man stands in front of a mirror and finds that his image is larger than himself. The mirror is a dash mirror. Convex, concave, plane, both A and B. Answer is option B, concave mirror. Next question. Each lung is enclosed in a double membrane called a pleura. The membrane which covers the surface of each lung is visceral pleura, lung pleura, peritoneal pleura, parietal pleura. Answer is option A, visceral pleura. Next question. Nitrogenous waste products are eliminated mainly as dash. Urea in tadpole and ammonia in adult frog. Ammonia in tadpole and urea in adult frog. Urea in tadpole and adult frog. Urea in tadpole and uric acid in adult frog. Answer is option B, ammonia in tadpole and urea in adult frog. Next we are going to discuss the social studies paper. First question. Who granted East India Company the sole right to trade with the East? Robert Clive, Queen Elizabeth I, John Richardson, Queen Elizabeth II? Answer is option B, Queen Elizabeth I. Next question. The first Indian woman to become president of the Indian National Congress was Sarojini Naidu, Kamala Nehru, Kasturba Gandhi, Begum Rokeya Sakhawat Hossain. Begum Rokeya
Sakhawat Hussain అన్నీ ఇంకా పలుకుతారు
Begum Rokeya Sakhawat Hossain. Answer is option A, Sarojini Naidu. Next question. Land covered with grass, shrubs on which animals can graze freely is known as A, fallow land, B, overgrazing, C, pasture, D, agricultural land. Answer is option C, pasture. Next question. Name of the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity. Norway, Pakistan, India, Switzerland. Answer is option A, Norway. Next question. Breeding of fish is specially constructed tanks and ponds is known as agricultural, sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture. Answer option C, pisciculture. Next question. Ahmedabad is referred as the dash of India. Ruhr, Manchester, Boston, Chicago. Answer B, Manchester. Next question. How many members are nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha? 233, 12, 22, 250. Answer B, 12. Next question. The Industrial Revolution started in dash around 1750. France, Britain, Russia, none of these. Answer option B, Britain. Next question. The British conquest of Bengal began with the Battle of dash. Buxar, Plassey, Seringapatam, Saraigarh. Answer B, Plassey. The architect of New Delhi was Edwin Lutyens and H. Baker, King George V, Lord Lytton, Queen Elizabeth. Answer A, Edwin Lutyens and H. Baker. Next question. The existence of more than one level of government is known as federalism, secularism, marginalism, communalism. Answer. Next question. Money bill is introduced only in Rajya Sabha, only in Lok Sabha, in both the houses by the Speaker of Rajya Sabha. Answer option B, only in Lok Sabha. Next question. In which state of India is the Jim Corbett National Park situated? Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Assam, Uttar Pradesh. Answer option A, Uttarakhand. Next question. Which state of India is the highest producer of jute? Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha. Answer option B, West Bengal. Next question. A form of government where people enjoy equal political right, elect their ruler and hold them accountable is known as secular, democratic, socialist, republic. Answer option B, democratic. Next question. In order to prevent religion-based exclusion and discrimination of lower caste, the Indian Constitution bans untouchability, religious practices, religion, religious institutions. Answer option A, untouchability. Next question. Sustainable development seeks to prevent dash: wastage of resources, pollution, loss of biodiversity, all of these. Answer option D, all of these. Next question. Of the earth's total water resources, the fresh water easily accessible for our use is more than 90%, 50%, 1%, less than 1%. Answer C, 1%. Next question. These are made to protect our natural vegetation and wildlife. Answer option D, all of these. Next question. The largest producer and exporter of mica in the world is Australia, India, USA, Russia. Answer option B, India. Resources which can be renewed or reproduced are known as dash: exhaustible resource, non-renewal source, renewal source, useful resource. Answer option C, renewal source. Next question. The Act on Protection of Women from Domestic Violence finally became a law in the year 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Answer option C, 2005. Right to Information Act guarantees people's right to know governmental proceedings, get universal primary education, speak out their discontent freely, hold meetings and public gathering. Answer option A, no governmental proceedings. Next question. At the village level, the judicial functions are performed by the Nyaya Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, District Judge, Munsif. Answer option A, Nyaya Panchayat. Next question. Many of India's most important mining and industrial centers are located in Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bokaro, all of these. Answer option D, all of these. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, comment.